Good, wonderful morning, everybody. Sorry for the dirty lens. I haven't bothered cleaning it for the last few walks that I've used it. Hasn't been much of a point because it just gets wet and dirty again. It's sprinkling. It is sprinkling. But it's a very, very light sprinkle, so it's not going to stop us go for a walk. Of course, I ended up with a wet husky. And she's all dirty. Nothing out of a towel or two can't fix. Towels are good for that. Cleaning huskies. You should see the other side. Look at her. She's a dirty, dirty girl. It's because she walks in the gutter, and of course that's where the red soil gets washed down. It's right on the gutter where all the water is. That's where she likes to walk because puddles, wet paws. Wet paws are great. So we didn't do our full walk today. Very, very close to it. Probably, I don't know, within, say, 100 feet of getting to our normal turnaround point. So the walk's about 200 feet short today. She went on strike. Just stood in the middle of the road and said, I'm not going no further, I'm done. I want to go home. So that's what we did. We took the next road, main road, and walked up that to get her turned around, and now she's happily walking home. I don't know if she's just not feeling it. She might be just getting too old. She did do a really big walk yesterday. Looks like they've been doing some work on this abandoned house. So I think this is owned by the church next door, which is also abandoned. And it looks like they might have been doing some demolition work over here. This is all very interesting sniffs though. They gotta wonder what they're doing. Looks like they might have knocked down the house next door to that. Well, there you go. So maybe they're in the whole thing. Maybe they're developing the whole corner. Don't know. Puddles. I love puddles. And the rain's getting heavier. The husky's getting wetter. We'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Catch you later.